Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a quick little introduction video to let people know about what our company is all about, what our website is about, what our blog is about, and how we can help save you all kind of time and money when you're shopping for floor covering. So like I said, our website is called BestRugPrices.com. We have two parts to our website. We have our homepage, which is on your screen right now. And what we do is we offer all kind of advice to our customers, completely free of charge, on where to find the best area rugs. The problem with area rugs is that the local floor covering stores across the country have really stopped selling area rugs. It used to be you could go into a store and they would have a lot of area rugs hanging on the wall and all kind of different sizes and styles and colors. Well, floor covering stores have now decided that their retail space would be more valuable to them if they took out the area rugs and replaced them with more displays of different sorts of floor covering products. So what that means for the customer is that you're really limited. If you're searching for area rugs, you got to shop online, because you might find a store or two in your town that has affordable area rugs, but there's not going to be a lot of styles, and your selection is going to be few and far between. So it's really hard to find and to buy area rugs online when you can't see them. So what we do, being in the business for many, many years, is we've looked at all these different sites, and we make recommendations on what we think are the best buys. So that's part one of what we do. The second part of what we do with our floor and decor blog is we offer our customers articles on floor covering. We have floor covering tips, floor covering maintenance items, and ways to buy, tricks of the trade, so to speak. And our goal really is to help people save money when they buy flooring, and buy flooring in a smart way. So as an example, I want to show you one of the tips that we're offering our customers that we just put out in one of our latest blog posts. That's will be in the link will be in the description of this video. But let's say you have a new home that you're building, and part of your main floor in the family room and maybe entryway foyer or den or pantry, kitchen area, say you want to put hardwood in those areas, but you have no idea what kind of hardwood you want, where to even stop. Honestly, building a house is a huge task, and if you've ever, if you're going through that process now, you'll know what I mean. The selection of materials is just really overwhelming. So even when you pin it down to just floor covering, when you walk into a store for the first time and you don't really know what you're doing, just looking for floors can be really frustrating and overwhelming. There's just so many samples. So here's a trick that you can do right now that's available, that most people don't know about, and this could save you a ton of time. So most of these manufacturers now on their websites will have a room visualizer. And so it's a really cool way to shop for flooring, because here's what you can do. You can say you're working with a local flooring store. Rather than just call in and just walk in and just blindly start looking at stuff, what you can do is you can call the store ahead of time and tell them that you're building a new house and you're going to be coming in, but you're going to do some shopping online, and you want to know what displays they have in the store from what manufacturers. And most stores are going to have 2, 3, 4 hardwood manufacturing displays in their store. So let's say one of these displays is Kentwood flooring, very nice wood line. So what you can do is I'll just switch over and show you here, but you can switch over to the Kentwood website, and they have what they call a lookbook as I'm circling it here. So what you can do is you click the lookbook, and then here's the really cool feature is what you can do is you can take a picture of a room. If it's a new home, maybe you have to use your existing room or something, but you can take your phone, take a picture of the room that you want to have flooring in, and then you upload it to Kentwood here, and I've just picked a picture at random, so I'm going to do that and kind of show you how it works. It's really a slick little tool that they have. So as it's loading, let's say this picture here is your living room, and you're wanting to shop for some hardwood. So now, let's say this is your new home, and you don't even, it's just framed and there's no flooring. Just take a picture of it and plug it in here. Then what you can do is you can go over here to the left and start scrolling down and shopping for floor. So, for example, let's say you like this brushed oak color right here. You just have to double click it, and eventually, and it'll switch. See how this changed to this floor? I mean, it's really cool. So the program will insert the floor you're looking at into your picture. So again, let's go to this brushed oak here, and let's say you like a darker color. You can switch, and it switches again. So I mean, it's a really neat function. So, and I'll just kind of randomly pick a maple here product, and it switches again. So now instead of walking in blindly into a store, you can pick 3 or 4 colors that you like from its manufacturer, jot down what the color names are, and then when you go into the store, tell the salesperson you're working with that you want to look at these samples. Take these samples home and see what they look like in your space. And then if you're building a new home, you can grab these samples and you can match them up with cabinet colors and paint colors and everything else. And you can do a lot of this shopping sitting at home in the comfort of your own house, as opposed to running around town all over the place trying to grab samples. So it's just a really neat function that you can do that most people don't know about. And that's the sort of thing that we try to do at bestrugprices.com. Our service is completely free, and we're just out trying to offer advice to people that is going to help them in their floor covering buying process. Thank you.